So the class experiential aspect focuses around conducting these tests on students per se, and the lectures give them a background. So we do several different tests. We look at three primary components of musculoskeletal fitness. We look at strength testing, we look at muscle endurance, and we look at flexibility of different joints. So one of the tests we do is we do a hand grip strength, where students look at how strong their forearm is. We do muscle endurance tests, which look at your muscle's ability to perform repetitive actions. So think about push-ups, for example. That's testing muscle endurance of your chest. Most people do curl-ups as well for their abs, so that's looking at the endurance of your core. And then we do flexibility testing, which varies depending on the kind of joints you look at. So some students perform very well on one joint as compared to not so good on other joints. And one of the fun tests that students really enjoy doing is the power and agility tests. So one of the tests we do is we have students stand and jump as high as possible. We test agility by having them go around a hexagon in and out of it. And there's a learning curve to these tests, so they have a lot of fun doing this. Specific to this particular lab and class, they get an understanding of what they need to work on. So what I'm trying to inculcate is get them to develop habits so that they can carry this throughout life.